Lime green and linen. What's going on in your nose? Today we examine the sneeze, or as scientists call it, sternonutations.
Welcome to the Gradual Report, where we gradually report.
It's a semi-unautonomous action caused by particulates going into your nose, passing through the nasal hairs, reaching the nerve cells in the mollusca, which triggers the production of histamines, which then tells the brain, open your nose big and breathe fast. The reason behind the powerful nature of a sneeze is refractory and scintillations. You see, it's not simply the power of the nose, the mouth, but also all of the muscles in your face and in your chest that force the sneeze in an almost entirely involuntary fashion through such a small opening that causes the sneeze to be so violent. It's capable of spreading disease, potentially infectious little droplets that it tends to expatulate. The correct way to prevent disease is to cover thy mouth with a tissue of some kind when sneezing. Conservative estimates place the speed of a sneeze at around 95 miles an hour. The highest estimates of a sneezing, the speed is guesstimated by the JFK Health World Museum. They estimated some sneezes to be around 650 miles per hour. Holding back and stifling sneezes can cause damage to sinuses, ear cavities, and other wild and crazy things. One time I held back a sneeze and my penis exploded. Final summation, whatever makes you sneeze, don't hold it in. Let it out. And a special note, uh-oh. That's why we don't play with the nose. Because as soon as you touch it, you've dislodged something. You've dislodged it, but you haven't cured yourself of it. So now it's in there bouncing around. When before it was just fine. Now you gotta go in after it. Now you gotta dig it out. Yeah, I'm going to my mom's house this Friday, so keep sending shit until then. After that, I guess you can keep sending shit. I don't give a fuck. Oh, and to the guy who sent the pornography to my mom. She's mad at me now. She thinks I ordered it myself. So I hope it was tasteful. Okay, kids.